Hello, this is Luis Gutierrez. This is one of the objects that I decided to work on to duplicate on Rhino. It's sort of like a three-piece pipe. First I started with some other type of objects, just extruding objects. Didn't really work. I even tried the twist command, but I really wasn't getting what I was trying to achieve. So what I ended up doing was getting this design here of what the base of the object looked like. And then picking each one of these segments and moving them upwards. This one's at about a 3-inch distance, and this one's all the way at a 6-inch distance. And if you can see it from up top, it looks just like that design. Um, so essentially, it's the same as this, just with the circles being at different elevations. And then I loft those 3 circles to get this design right here, and then I use record history to move the segments and get these in different positions, and then I combine those to get this right here, and I use the Boolean difference commands to get the difference in here in an open space. And from there I also use the array command to make some sort of pattern on the surface, and then the flow on surface to attach to the actual object. That's it. Thank you.